He put some phrase in it, man.
Yeah, he have it a start to say, jump pan. You know me I say?
Yeah.
Me just jump pan. Me hear that.
I cleave them to them. It's the sampling part, I cleave, you know.
Alright,
Yeah.
and now, I use a part there in my song like, I made build a part there. I never build a part there, man. I just say it because it really fit.
Let them hear a piece of the jump and sound pan.
Jump pan, jump pan, jump pan. Say jump pan, sound over so. Pack up to the gate, you figure. Jump and sound over so. Pack up to the gate, you figure. How would you think you're there? You think you're down and mucker? We not tolerate them sound up here, so. Sound of it nice and mellow. Like me say for me in disco. Remember Reggie step I tell you so. Because we run round so. And we run through so. Up so and across so. We come for control ya so. Say jump and sound over so.
Hey, me can't tell you something. You see that start, you see where I say chiching, and Reggie get it from. Reggie get it from.